Guys, you can just see the work is going also here. We are finishing, making a final attachment here, removing those things from up there, so as the installer reduce it here. You see?
On easy. Nakata is that 1, 2, 3. And Ivo. Angomo.
Yeah.
How are you? Good morning.
Morning. You see, we are cutting the pipe. Make sure this one is finished today. The vehicle must pass here and we fix the gate today. You can just see the electricity connected. You also finish that point here where we are sleeping with my friend Chris. Now you can just even the door here. Kumbuka huyu anachapa kasi hapa. Wanamchungulia kwa makona hapa. Ni hivyo things viko hapa sasa. Ni hakuna maneno mengine huko.
Rumbiza mchanga hapo.
Guys, our vehicle stuck here. Now we are running it to take it hewani hapa. Now my motorbike not working, and this was here with Chris also stuck here. Now today we only walk. You see the way things they are now here. See guys, if for the first time you are coming across my channel, piga masharaha ya. See the way things they are here today. We want to remove these things away and they say Kongoro. Kongoro means Koko, the one you are seeing making, they are fixing these doors. This one. Today they fix these doors. See their job is going on. Few minutes they seeing things here finished. Yeah. Kwa Nairobi teo kana toko vera mono vera Nairobi. This guy is crying why he was in the big city. Remember who are going to Nairobi to come pesa karai. Unaona chikasi leo hapo.
Kazi iko fiti.
Mpaka unalia kwa nini kuna kaa Nairobi?
Mpaka nalia mbona nilikuwa nalia na kaa Nairobi tunaacha kaa pesa hapo.
Watu wamekusanya hela kina huyu mjamaa mko naye hapo unaona anapiga.
Hapa. Sasa mbona unakusanya pesa na unaenda ambia rafiki?
Hapa we mixing things here twice here. Mnajua huyu ni jamaa yangu kutoka pale Nyabo. Wow, chunga bana, chunga. Wewe bosi wewe. Linda mtu wa mkono hapa chini. Also you can just they are making round. Hey. Hi guys, we are here finishing. Sijui ni mahali pa kukuranya ugali humu. Engineer ndio yule ndiye anaweza sema Kenya anapiga hapa. Sasa hii makeja ni ya kukura au ni ya kurara? Hii ni ya kukura.
Yaani ukiona kitu kama hii imejengwa. Yaani hapa ni mlo.
Wanaingilia wapi?
Yaani hapa.
Au ni ya kupika?
Hii ni ya kupika.
Hizi ni magiha.
Hapa ni magiha.
They are making a traditional place of putting fire here. Today kura musoka hapa, yani kura mugoka.
Hadi hapo.
Mugoka ni soup.
Sherehe inaanza Friday last.
Ani kesho, si lazima tutesti mafika kama yanafanya. Leo Jumafika tunaweka tuweke moto. Unaona yule guy anasema yale makubwa ile trailer. Ile trailer ndio tunaweka hapa ishike. Weka twende bana. Tunataka kukula, tunachelewa hapa. Guys, you can just see we are preparing the job here for making the place people they'll be cooking. You know, you can't cook outside because there is a lot of rain. Also, DJ One Drop is coming with a system. A system means speaker. There will be full here non-stop. Guys, we are full compact here. Job almost done here.
This is tilapia.
This is a tilapia fish. It's called the Nile tilapia. It's reddish. It has reddish tails, as you can see, that reddish. And we have this one here, the same Nile tilapia, but the fins are somehow blackish. You can see, somehow blackish bright. So we have a basin here.
How many were caught there? Got 3.
How many do we have? We have 3. Yeah.
How many fish do you think are in this pond?
There are more than 1,000. Yeah, around 1,100.
So how does this work? When people want fish, they come to you and you catch them, or you sell them to the market?
I sell them to the market because, but I have that it's called the harvesting, the prior harvest before you harvest, because you deal with orders. If you can just get an order whereby sometimes the government gives me an order whereby the practicals in high school, so they need a practical stage for fish, so they accept even this fish because there are too many students, so they rely on small fish because of the expense. Okay. So I do sell to them this size of fish. They are just 2-3 months old.
Yes.
So yeah, they are now 3 months old. So these are that's why I've just told you we have 2 types of 2 breeds here, 2 species of tilapia. So as you can see, we have different.
Guys, we are here fishing the fish pond with smart lists. Guys, you see there is fire here. This fire is for scaring people. The owner saying when he put fire, people think it is around, but it's not around. See, this guy is very tricky. He's using a fire here. When he has removed the work of this fire, because people they say the fire is to scare people not to be found in his fish pond. Yeah, guys. Yesterday, part 1, we were with Chris fishing using hooks. Today, we decided to visit with a net. You can just see they are trying to feature. Thank you very much, my people, wherever you are. Remember to give a video like this. Uncle Mo from Kenya with Christmas lists. Amazing, guys. Give the video like, subscribe. Yeah. Guys, welcome back to Uncle Mo from Kenya. I already told you today is a very special ever. You can just see I'm cruising around here. I'm with Chris other side. We are cooking fish in traditional. I'm showing them the way we cook fish for healing. I'll be drinking soup for healing. Don't miss this video. The video is coming in tune. Be tuned about waiting for the soup for healing. I'm going to be healed with the soup of the fish. That's according to traditional or the way they make for me here. They say That's the soup you're supposed to drink. And no need for you going to the hospital. Yeah, and you come back with the full energy. Yeah, guys, I'm full okay. I'm very, very happy. You know, even you can just see my hand is now flexible. You can just see. Yesterday, even I was not even doing this way. Right now, I'm able to do this way. Yeah, guys, I'm very happy because things now they are shining. You can also see I'm in the clay bath. They are fixing the door. I'm in this karang kang 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 kang. You see the clay bath. People that are going on here with clay bath, others are joining, making the door. Guys, you can just see the clay bath now is not good because water we remove, we make it cleanness, then we started swimming here. Why not saying it's not good? Because five muricha. You see the water the way it is coming.
Hapana, ongeza tena. Wapata ni hiyo tu. Hakuna mahali kingine tunapeleka, ni hiyo tu tunataka. Ni vile tu nataka ikuje maji maji.
Guys, you can just see mchicha hapa umeguro sana. Sasa hata naona masani flower humu yanataka kugamba sana sana shadow. Guys, you are here, you can just see the way people feed animals here in this village. You can just see we feed only pepper grass. That's the neighbor's cows, guys. I know you know this place very well. Yeah, I'm live from Marwa's Villa house, Marwa's home. No people they say, where uncle, where are you? Remember to give a video like people, I really love you so much. We can just see this guy is feeding their cows. Yeah. Anapelekea ng'ombe yao. See guys, we are next to Bushman Fish Pond. Yeah, that's the place you are cooking the fish. Up there you will see them. See Chris is up there. Welcome back to Uncle Mo from Kenya. If you can just see today I'm in a cape. I'm heading to get an injection. That's the way you can just see. If you put too close, you're able to see the guys the way his head is full of. This one I'm getting. Since they cut my drum, they install they put for me traditional medicine. Now it's somehow strong. The only thing now, don't feel any pain anywhere. The body is cool, but somewhere here is it's like bandazi mefura. Wow, guys, I'm heading to injection in the hospital. Sakani. You know, people they ask, Uncle, why do you decide to walk without going with a motorbike or a car? No, it is next. I pick a car. No, right now I don't need a motorbike because it is somehow cold. It didn't bring coolness to my body. Yeah, because there is no hot sun here. It is full of crowd. Now the reason is why let me just walk as I do exercise. Exercise is a part of the body. Yeah. Well, go on. Yeah. Soon I don't take time because my body only heal for only 2 days. I affected yesterday when it reached the time like this one, I'm full hour. When it tomorrow like this one, kusha. Finish. Just a one drop is down there, marwa is down there. That is very far. I'm just here want to make greenness for the crease. You see, they have been working here. No, I know this. You know this place very well. This one here in this tree. I know you know it very well. See people that have finished working. I can just see this the millers how they are big. See now, they are finished now. Want to make greenness. Yeah, you can just see the way this. This is my work here. The one cleaning for Chris mud lists. You know, people they asking me so many questions. Why you like Chris Mercy so much? It's my friend. I must do the cleanness. Is the only me love. Here I must do a lot of cleanness here. You see. You can just do this one that are going on with the wiring. Guys, other side you can just see. I want to make it clean. A few minutes will be seen cleaning this place here. You see the place is. You must make it clean. You see. You want to make this room clean. And clean here. Let me even start. I remove this one first. Then we start the job immediately. Let me go bring water, then we go on with the job, seeing the way things are. Also today they have finished job here, clean here, to make sure the place is very clean.
By the way, I love sugar cane juice. It's my favorite in the world. Let's see.
You guys, you can just see this place that we did. I resemble this duster here. A few minutes will be seeing it will be the crease room want to be shining. You can just see about this point here. Just see the watchman they are there. You know here department there are so many departments here. You can just see the guy is fixing electricity also. Going up there. Yeah, I make sure this place is very clean. Yeah, that's my work. You know, department here there are so many. You can just see those ones. They are dealing with the fish pond. They are fighting to make sure they finish their job. Guys, I know you'll be saying, Uncle Mo, how do you manage to mop while you have one hand? Now I mop slowly. It's my work. I don't mind and not bring anybody because Chris believe on me and I believe on him. Because I don't want to bring another person because this building has so many people. You must deal the one you love. the one you feel you can do it comfortable. Yeah, I want Christmas list to be comfortable when with me here. Yeah, I make sure the house is clean every moment, every day I'll be cleaning it. You see, that's the way things they're down here. Installing, see those ones are installing electricity, penetrating and other things in there. Yeah, mine is to clean it. Mine is to make cleaners for job here. You can just see. Yeah, that's it. My job here is to make cleaners. Let me go and bring water so as we can start our job, guys. People that are joining, wow, I've seen people that have started as riding guitars. How many legs? 4. Yeah, that's riding also, just riding gates with 4 legs. Yeah, those are the very big gates. They are now be put here. 2 gates they will be put inside here. Now they will be controlling. Maybe they can be electricity. If they tie the electricity, I will also tie mine. Yeah, that's the way things they are. Yeah, guys. Hope they give the video like. I know you have Uncle Mo from Kenya. Whenever I'm in an accident, I can't stop coming because my department, I've been given a very big department roles in this department of Marwa's party. Tomorrow I'll tell you the department I've been given. Officially, I have a very big department and a very sensitive department. Yeah, making sure people eat meat. And you know how people love meat. I'm the one in charge of the meat, making sure people eat meat. And making sure they slaughter at the right time. Meat put in the kitchen at the right time. That's a very sensitive place. And a very hard place. Even if you're a player, I don't know how to do. But I make sure I manage everything. And I must make sure things they move as they were planned. Yeah, we can just see people they are. Yeah, we can just see when man is there drinking. Remember today's people that are very busy. Let me just go on with making cleaners for the Chris. But at least, yeah, guys, I love the way the job is being done here. Continue appreciating one another. Yeah, guys. I'm not shooting from anywhere. I'm doing only cleaners. You know, yesterday when I was not here, I cleaned yesterday I was in the hospital, nobody cleaned because I was not here. Now it makes me sense, make sure, because what makes it dirty, people work here, they were fixing these grasses. When they are fixing, you must make sure you don't interfere with the mason. You give them time as they continue the job, you continue with your work. Thank you very much, my people, wherever you are. Remember to give a video like. Also remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. I really appreciate because I'm seeing I'm rolled to 15,000 soon. Maybe next week. You can also check Christmas list. You can just check my description and check me. The link is there. Also check Miami Kitchen is there. 74 please. You can just help me that way. Yeah. Also you can also check signature 5445, guys. Wherever you are, I'm giving them special shout out. To give them also. You can also check Jabet's. Jabet Phil also is doing an amazing job on the other side, guys. We'll be very, very, very happy to see them proceeding well. Yeah. Those are the people who are the first. I really like the Brooke L, the way Brooks is saying. He loved Uncle Mo so much. Even he was the first person knowing Uncle Mo got an accident. The guy slided from other road. He missed he crossed the road badly and find me and he hurt me. He's the one who was in the mistakes. But all in all, Maro called me and told me, Uncle Mo, leave those ones. Just forgive, don't be paid. I said yes, and they go on the hospital, then I'm back home. That's the way the situation was. But I really appreciate God is good all the time. He protected me. I'm not feeling so much pain. I'm recovering well, but I'll make sure the cleanliness must be taken on. Stay tuned, you see what's coming. What's up? One of my fans told me, Uncle, I need you to be teaching me Swahili. Just inbox me in Instagram, I'll be teaching you Swahili. Yani nitakufundisha bure mpaka ukijue. Yeah, that was one of my fans. I just must recognize, but I can't remember the name right now. But if you watch this video, you know, I have known you need a Swahili word. Karibu sana, means welcome. Habari, nzuri sana. Yeah, I will teach you in Swahili words. Just inbox me in Instagram. I will be writing for you. And I will be calling you and teach you in Swahili words. In our own, we'll set you the time. When I know your time, when you are wake up, or you know, we're different time. Kenya time is different from other countries. Now I make sure I create time when you are available. We talk. I teach you Swahili words.
Uncle Mo from Kenya. How are you taking off?
I'm a engineer. I don't even see. I'm in the black dilemma. Nini? Ya nini nakulipa? Ya nini nakulipa? Siwezi nikakusalimia, mkono ni mgonjwa sana. Hauna nguvu za kuinua. Ulipata accident you. I cannot greet you, this hand got an accident.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Sad.
It doesn't work. It's only one. Naona mtatu entertain leo asubuhi mpaka che.